Welcome to Selfie DNA. A powerful definition of masculine fitness will come to life, all the way from the raw, wild energy of outdoor training to the sharp, refined edge of urban style. Some of these men who embrace sun-kissed beaches, the freedom of international travel, and the informal motion of active sports test out their strength against the elements. Others committed to the silent discipline of clean lifestyles and constant physical activity find comfort within the heavy iron. However, these different ways come together to reveal a single unquestionable fact. A built up body is only the outside of a much deeper fire, represents a daily decision to uphold a lifetime commitment to personal development, promote motivation, and practice discipline. This is a celebration of reversed ambition, absolute trust, and a true brotherhood that develops when men push one another toward greatness. It goes far beyond just a show of physical dominance. Here, fitness becomes into a universal culture